there's breaking news coming in from the national capital. We're learning of there being a brazen shooting outside a Delhi cafe. Important to understand that a 24-year-old man has been shot dead in Delhi's Welcome area. This is what we're learning so far. Now, police have launched a manhunt and a probe is underway. Visuals of which present on your screens at the moment. We're learning important information that a 24-year-old man has been shot dead in Delhi's Welcome area. Well, on this, we have my colleague Anushka joining us on the broadcast. Anushka, walk us through the details. What exactly happened here?
Well, that's right. We are seeing that a shocking incident has come to light in Delhi's Maujpur area, where right now outside the very place, the very cafe where this incident took place around 10:28, in Friday night, where a 24-year-old man was shot dead by unidentified assailants at this cafe. The incident was reported at 10:28 p.m. At the Welcome Cafe. According to police, a PCR call was received regarding a firing incident at the location, and the team rushed to the spot and found a man lying injured. He was identified as 24-year-old Faizan, who belongs from Welcome. He was immediately shifted to Guru Tegh Bahadur Hospital for treatment. However, doctors declared him dead upon arrival. Crime scene FSL team inspected the scene and is collecting physical and scientific evidences, and also adding that the exact number of assailants and the sequence of events leading to the firing are yet to be ascertained. A case has been registered in this matter along with sections of Arms Act at the Welcome police station, and preliminary inquiry suggests that the firing took place inside the cafe. We have shown you the visuals that this is the very place where this incident took place around 10:28 in the evening, and we are also in fact showing you the markings, the bullet markings that the police have in fact identified here after shooting the gunshots. These are the very places where the empty cartridges were found when the police team reached. The the assailants who were bike-bound at the time are right now being hunted by the police. The police are examining the CCTV footage from the establishment and nearby areas to identify the accused and track their movement regarding this incident. And also, because of the incident, we are seeing that there is a gripping fear among the residents. This is not the first time that an incident like this has happened in Welcome area, and we are seeing that the man who was in fact 24 years old was shot dead while he was here at the cafe.